Hey you, it's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. Last week, I sent out a survey about the anti-inflammatory diet system, and I got overwhelming response from you guys, so thank you. Many of you took the survey and you got a lot of questions. So I'm gonna pick one today and answer your questions. Hopefully this will help. So question that I picked is, what food and why the food in helping with the inflammation? Very good question. So having inflammation in the body is natural. But having chronic inflammation, more than that you need at all times, it's really deadly for your body. Because when you have too much inflammation is caused by your immune system's reaction to fight what they see as intruder to the body. So whatever the region that your immune system is reacting to, immune system has two things, self or non-self. So when there's non-self, that your immune system sees it as intruder, which is inflammatory foods, then it responds, it sends the chemical pellets there to fight whatever seed as an intruder. So too much inflammatory food, if you have genetic propensity to it, then that can cause chronic inflammation. And chronic inflammation, there's many correlations to many chronic illnesses. One of them is eczema, which I suffered for 30 years of my life, and I was on steroids for that. So that's in a nutshell of why taking out inflammatory food and adding in food that's nourishing and anti-inflammatory will help you reverse your symptoms, reverse your chronic symptoms, I should say, and weight loss and get clear skin. So to show you the proof, from 2015 to 2017, I was able to lose 14 pounds in 12 months, very slowly, but for real, and never bounced back, as you can see it. But that was actually an accidental weight loss because steroids that I had relied on for 3 decades to relieve chronic eczema was not working anymore. So I had to find some alternative solution, and I had to find another way because medicine stopped working. The magic pill stopped working. So that's how I completely got off steroids and lost 14 pounds. I got flat belly, and I have been eczema-free since 2014. And the crazy thing about this diet, I hate to call this actually diet. I'd like to call it rather anti-inflammatory feast because, for example, what I had for lunch today after I went to my favorite coffee shop this morning because it's my Wednesday morning ritual to celebrate me and serving you. What I had for lunch was kimchi, oxbone soup with tendon because it's full of collagen, which is great for my skin and maintaining weight as well. And the oxbone soup has a lot of calcium and minerals, and I ate a bunch of green onions with it, so it's refreshing. And there's green vegetable there, and of course kimchi for your gut health. And I finished that delicious meal with a piece of Danish croissant that I really like from my local favorite bakery. So anti-inflammatory diet it's not a diet really. It's anti-inflammatory feast is more the right approach. So, all right, I got segued there. Going back to the question. So another question was, will anti-inflammatory diet help with hypertension? Yes, in a nutshell. Because it'll help you to lose weight, it'll help you to get clear skin, it'll help you to reverse your chronic illnesses. The reason is that when you take out highly inflammatory foods and eat delicious, healthy, nourishing food, then your body actually has time to rebuild rather than constantly fighting with what your immune system sees as invaders. Therefore, your body actually will have time to release the symptoms that you chronically suffered for a long time. I've seen it on my mother who had severe back pain. I applied the exact same system and she was able to walk after just a week or two. It was amazing to see her transformation. She told me that when she was in Korea, there were a couple of months, about 6 months, that she was not able to walk for 3 to 4 hours when she woke up in the morning because her back pain was so bad, and she got steroid shots in her spine because that was the only way she could feel better, and she just felt devastated. And I had her try this diet, and it was mesmerizing to see that the difference. Actually, fun story. My mother had COVID a couple of months ago, and I wasn't too worried because I knew she was very healthy and agile and youthful. So I knew she would recover, and she had some side effects of COVID, and she recovered fully. And I just talked to her last week, and she was hiking. So there you go. There's so much about COVID and older age, right? So that's the power of it. When you're healthy, when you support your immune system with good food and take out the food, at least to reduce them, to calm your immune system down, you'll see the wonders in your body. The side effects that I have since 2017 is that I got flat belly, clear skin without steroids, and I've been completely medicine-free, including supplements. I haven't taken supplements for past couple of years, and it's working fine. Food has everything in there. It's robust medicine cabinet for you. So eat deliciously can actually heal you. So that's the nutshell. Hopefully that answered your question. I have more videos coming like this. Since I got so many questions from you guys, I'm gonna answer as much as possible, but best to check out hungrygopher.com for more information and find out case studies and my stories and anti-inflammatory diet recipes. And you get exclusive offers and updates from me when you're on my newsletter, because we are exclusive Hungry member tribe, Hungry Gopher tribe over there. And also visit hungrygopher.com here. Then the goodies you can find it, you can download top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory recipes so you can love what you eat and relieve chronic symptoms and get a flat belly and clear skin. So I'll see you next time. Bye.